Hey guys, welcome. Listen to this noise. The noise is coming from the AC blower, and actually the AC works pretty well. It blows cold air. It is just the noise that is very annoying. In this video, I will show you how I replaced the blower. Removing the AC blower is super simple, guys. You just need to locate it underneath the glove compartment on the passenger side. Remove the 3 screws and the connector, and that's it. You don't need to take out any panels or anything else. You can access it directly from underneath. Okay, so here you have it. This is the original part that I just took off my truck. Well, what can I say? It has a part number. It is a original Denso part. Okay, well, let's put it here. And let's see the part I got from Amazon, 35 bucks. The original was around 70 or 80, I think. But since this is not apart from the engine or something that, well, it's critical, I decided to save some money here. Remember that I'm trying to keep a low budget for this build. They look identical, same size, weight, and everything. The old one doesn't spin, obviously, as good as the new one. Everything else is just the same. The original one, I tried to take it apart before. As you can see here, it has some marks. I was not successful, so I just decided to, well, just replace it. I was not going to waste my time, so put this away. Let's just install the new one. And then I had my very first problem with the part, with the generic part. Even though it was identical to the original part, it probably was a little bigger, or it didn't align properly, so I was not able to make it fit. I tried to adjust the screws as much as I could and see if the part could sit in the place, but no, it didn't work. And nope, it didn't work. So I had to use the Dremel tool to file the plastic. If you don't have a Dremel tool, you can use a filer or probably sandpaper or something, and try to make this adjustment. Let's see if it works. And sometimes we have these projects that we think are going to take just 5 or 10 minutes, and then we get into trouble, like in this specific case that we have to modify the part. I mean, it was not something super complicated. It was just like a little adjustment, filing some plastic parts, and that's it, right? But now I ran out of battery. Man, I cannot catch a break. Now it fits like a glove, and I ran out of battery. Damn it, just wait a minute. I'm going to get the bigger tool. I didn't use this tool before because it was too big and the space was really small. It was not as comfortable to work with. But the idea is to get the job done. Almost done. Bear with me, guys. Just a little bit. One more to go. Here we go. That's it. Put the connector in. And we're done. Well, that fixed the problem. I feel more comfortable now driving my car. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That really helps. See you next time.